Alright, so I want to talk about what I think happened here with Cole Davies in this whoop section. So if you'll notice when he first enters that corner, look how far back he is on the bike. You can pretty much tell as soon as he enters those whoops, the bike is totally in control at that point, and he is not. And I think when you're in the attack position and you enter whoops like that with your butt that far back on the bike, you're automatically losing the ability to absorb the bumps effectively because all of your weight is shifted to the back of the bike. Your front wheel becomes lighter and you just lose that predictability of where the bike is going to go. So that's what I think happened here. Luckily, it looks like he was able to just ride himself out of this. I think if he were to have crashed, it would have been pretty nasty. So I think that's what happened. Let me know what you guys think.